Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about the structure of one of the important virus, and that is human immunodeficiency virus or HIV virus. So all of you know that the HIV virus is the causative agent of a disease that is known as AIDS or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome disease. This virus is a member of the Retroviridie family, and primarily it infects the vital components of the human immune system such as CD4 cells and macrophages. As far as the structure of HIV virus particles is concerned, they are enveloped and icosahedral. These are the round viruses with the diameter of about 100 to 120 nanometer. The envelope of these viruses consists of a plasma membrane that is derived from the host cell membrane. It mainly contains the host cell membrane proteins, but in addition to that, it also contains the virus encoded glycoproteins, that is glycoprotein 160. That means these are the proteins that are coded by the genes present on the virus genetic material. Such virus coded proteins are called as spikes or peplomers. So you can see in this figure, these are the spikes. Each virus particle contains about such 72 glycoproteins or spikes. Each glycoprotein, that is spike, is made up of two subunit proteins. One is glycoprotein 120 and glycoprotein 41. The glycoprotein 120 is covalently attached to the glycoprotein 41. The glycoprotein 41 is embedded in the membrane, while glycoprotein 120 comes out as a projection. The spikes that are present in the envelope, they functions as the viral antireceptors or attachment proteins. That means virus attaches to the host cell surface with the help of these proteins. Just below the viral envelope, there is a layer of protein that is called as matrix protein. And this matrix protein is made from a protein that is P17. This layer of matrix protein gives stability to the viral envelope. So this is the layer of matrix proteins. Inside of this layer of matrix proteins, there is presence of an icosahedral capsid. The capsid is icosahedral, but it appears conical, and it is made from a protein P24. So this is the capsid of virus particle. Inside of this capsid, there are three important enzymes associated with the viral RNA or viral genetic material, and these enzymes include reverse transcriptase, integrase and protease. Among these, the role of reverse transcriptase is to convert the viral genetic material that is present in the form of single-stranded RNA to double-stranded DNA. The role of integrase enzyme is to insert or integrate the double-stranded DNA into host cell DNA, and the role of protease is to cut or break the larger subunits of capsid protein into smaller ones so that they associate with the viral RNA and form the new virus particles. That means the virus genetic material that is present in the form of single-stranded RNA is converted to double-stranded DNA by the reverse transcriptase enzyme. The so formed double-stranded DNA is then integrated into host cell DNA by the enzyme integrase. The HIV virus contains two identical copies of positive sense single-stranded RNA as a genetic material. These two copies may link to each other and form a dimer. So you can see here, these are the two segments of the single-stranded RNA, and these are the associated enzymes, that is reverse transcriptase, integrase and protease. You can once again see how is the structure of HIV virus and how to draw it. So this is about the structure of HIV virus. Thank you for your kind listening. Thank you.